Aloha and welcome to Hi Now. Today in the Hi Now studio, we have Lai Kin Kwong. He is a banking officer at First Hawaiian Bank, and that's because we're talking all about HELOCs and home equity lines of credit. So for people who aren't familiar with HELOCs, what are they and what are they used for?
It's a line of credit that's secured by the equity in your property. You can draw on the line as you need to use, and as you pay it back, you kind of replenish the line. Common uses for a HELOC would be home renovations, repairs, consolidating your high interest debt, such as your credit card, or you can use it for vacation, tuition, funding bigger purchases like your appliances. And other people just sometimes get it just to have in case like an emergency arises or something like that.
Interest rates, they always kind of vary in terms of the rates and the percentages and stuff like that. How does that impact HELOCs, if at all?
Sure. Home equity lines, HELOCs, they do have usually a promotional teaser rate in the beginning of the term. So it's a fixed lower interest rate for extended short period of time, or 2 to 5 years generally in the beginning. A loan, the home equity line is secured by the collateral, collateralized by your home. It tends to be a lower interest rate than your traditional means of financing like your credit card or even your unsecured type of loans like personal debt.
So can people still apply for a HELOC even if they already have a mortgage?
Oh yes, definitely. In the previous years, when interest rates were low, we've seen a number of customers go in and refinance their existing mortgage with a home equity line. But as you said, when interest rate rises, home equity lines can become variable rates. You can just have a first mortgage and also have a home equity behind it as a second mortgage based on the remaining equity in your property. Really useful to have. You can still have the first mortgage, keep it, if you have a great rate on your first mortgage, keep it the same, leave it alone, and then just have the line of credit as a second mortgage just to have as backup or as needed.
It's awesome to know that options are available. And what are some features of the HELOC that are important that people should know about?
A home equity line becomes a variable rate after a while. There are fixed rate lock features within a home equity line. For example, if you want to purchase a car and say, hey, I want to take out this much and I'll plan on paying it back within 5 years, we can set your payment plan, amortize over the full 5 years so that you're all paid off in the car for the car after 5 years is up. Choose your payments, whether it's a lower monthly payment for a longer period of time or higher payment if you want to pay it off sooner.
How can people apply, and how do people just get more information in terms of resources available from First Hawaiian Bank?
So they can visit us at fhb.com/HELOC to learn more about HELOC products and also apply through there as well.
Aloha, Mike Kako. Thanks for watching the Hi Now YouTube channel. Hey, do me a favor. While you're here, go ahead, click that subscribe button. That way you can stay up to date with all the latest information about everything going on here in Hawaii. Where to go, what to do, where to eat, and where to shop. And don't forget, we'll see you all at HiNowDaily.com.